Spanish hotel food. Spanish hotel cuisine is a delightful reflection of the country's rich culinary traditions, offering guests a taste of Spain's diverse gastronomy. From the sun-drenched terraces of Andalusia to the bustling streets of Madrid, hotel dining experiences in Spain are designed to enrich and enchant the senses. Guests can expect to start their day with a hearty breakfast featuring freshly baked bread, a variety of local cheeses and cold meats, including the famous jamón. Sweet pastries and fruit juices provide a lighter option, while traditional Spanish omelettes and sausages cater to those with a more robust appetite. Breakfast in Spain is a hearty affair, featuring Belgian waffles, pancakes and an assortment of sausages, including the spicy paprika-infused varieties. Spanish omelettes, fried and scrambled eggs, and freshly baked bread and rolls provide a robust start to the day. A spicy selection of Spanish sausages such as chorizo are known for their robust flavours, often seasoned with paprika and garlic. Wake up to a spread of freshly baked bread rolls and a selection of local meats and an assortment of cheeses. Savour the sweetness of pastries, cakes and Danish delights. Spanish pastries and sweet confections are a testament to the country's love affair with desserts. Dive into the world of sweet pastries, cakes, biscuits and the ever-popular churros, often accompanied by a thick, indulgent hot chocolate or a dollop of Nutella. Jams and preserves. The sweet essence of the fruit jams and preserves capture the essence of Spain's bountiful fruit harvests, with flavours ranging from the tartness of Seville oranges to peaches and cherries. The art of cured meats and cheeses. One cannot speak of Spanish cuisine without mentioning its array of cured meats. Salami, local cold cuts, and the famed jamón are staples in any Spanish household. These delicacies are often enjoyed with a selection of cheeses, ranging from the creamy manchego to the pungent cabrales, each telling a story of the landscape and the climate from which they hail. Fresh fruit, such as apples, oranges, pears and bananas, are widely available and often enjoyed as part of the breakfast table or as a snack. And no meal is complete without a beverage, and Spain offers everything from tea and coffee from vending machines. Lunch and dinner is a symphony of flavours. Spain's culinary scene is a vibrant mosaic of flavours, each dish a testament to the country's rich gastronomic heritage. From the humble olive to the sumptuous seafood feast, Spanish cuisine offers an array of tastes that cater to every plate. The soul of Spanish dishes, herbs and spices are the soul of Spanish cuisine, infusing dishes with distinct flavours of paprika, saffron and garlic. These are just a few of the seasonings that elevate the taste of every meal. Fresh salads and cold vegetables provide a fresh counterpoint to the rich flavours of meats and cheeses. Chopped carrots, onions and a variety of greens are dressed with olive oil and vinegar, creating a simple yet satisfying dish. Meat lovers will rejoice in the selection of grilled meats available. Pork, veal and chicken are often cooked over an open flame, infusing them with a smoky flavour that is unmistakably Spanish. Spain's proximity to the sea is reflected in its vast selection of seafood. Mussels and a variety of fish are often grilled to perfection, capturing the essence of the Mediterranean. The country's love for seafood is also evident in its world-famous paella, a dish that has become synonymous with Spanish cuisine. These dishes are often enjoyed with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs. Please remember that if you do eat seafood with your hands, please wash them thoroughly or use some antibacterial hand wipes before you touch any of the serving utensils at the buffet. This is seen as good etiquette, as you do not wish to pass on your germs to others. A lot of hotels offer the use of a microwave to heat up your food once you've chosen it from the buffet. As an experienced catering chef, I have found that bain-maries or hot plates are great for keeping foods in a sauce hot, but do a poor job with other food options. A quick few minutes in the microwave can improve your dining experience. Desserts and sweets. Desserts and sweets often come in small taster portions, so you can sample more than one treat. Jelly, blancmange, creme caramel, along with various cream-filled cakes are the ideal end to a perfect meal. All of these can go along with some ice cream in various flavours like vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. Spanish cuisine is a celebration of both land and sea, tradition and innovation. It's a culinary journey that promises to delight and inspire with every bite. Whether you're savouring a slice of jamón or indulging in a scoop of ice cream, the flavours of Spain are sure to leave you a lasting impression. In conclusion, Spanish cuisine is a diverse tapestry woven from the many cultures that have influenced the country over the centuries. It is a cuisine that respects tradition while embracing innovation, and above all, it's a celebration of life itself. So the next time you find yourself in Spain, take a moment to savour the flavours that make this country a true culinary paradise. So thanks again for watching today, and I really hope that you can give us a thumbs up and like on this video, as well as subscribing to get notifications of new videos. And you can also become a Patreon if you want to support us in our work, and there's information on how to do that below. So thanks again, bye!